video and I ain't ready. Do not. Hey beautiful people, it's your girl Des and I'm back with another video for you guys. And in today's video I'm going to be getting my makeup done. Here's a funny thing. I don't know what style I'm getting. I know what we're doing, but you will see towards the end. But anyways, let's get into the video. Alright you guys, so my sibling is going to be doing my makeup, so I'm kind of scared. Not really, I'm not scared. She knows how to do her thing or whatever, so we're gonna see her work some magic on this face. Y'all see the skin glowing? Period. How you gonna start the video and I ain't ready? Don't get me started. Do not. What's that? Y'all could tell I do not do my makeup on a regular. What is that? Guys, what is she putting on my face? I have no idea what she just put on my face, but I'm going to assume it's primer. You will be needing a bottle of acetone. Well, I just put it in a clear glass jar and a small detail brush. I'm recording my audio.
Okay, so I just basically putting pomade on her eyebrows. Me know she's so close for, but yeah. Self-explanatory. I literally just point concealer over and under her brows, and then I'm going to use the brush to carry the product up to her eyebrows and clean them up or whatever. Sorry. It is my first time doing makeup and I didn't know to be gentle or whatever the case is. Let me clarify, first time doing makeup on somebody else besides myself. I would kindly like to know why she trying to have staring contests with you. Okay, so right now I'm using a light brown eyebrow pencil to shade in and make like an ombre effect for her eyebrows. Time to buff out the concealer. Yagayo. So I dragging the concealer down to her eyes only because I will be doing eyeshadow. Okay, so right now I just adding a lighter concealer on her eyebrows. Eyelids, and then I'll be buffing out the eye. What do you call this thing again? The concealer. I would kindly like to know why she did this clip in, because that palette was not cute, but I using a Juvia's Place palette and I go in there with a dark brown to have some, how to say, depth with her eyes. Girl is haunted, like, that makes sense. Okay, so now I go in with a lighter eyeshadow, which I didn't really like, so then I went over it with something else later on in the video. But yeah. Okay, so now I'm going in with some dual lash glue so I can apply the next step on top of this. I don't want to ruin the look, Okay, well, look, it's here. Add glitter.
It like stuck.
Man, don't ask me why I went over with this brush for, cause that didn't make no type of sense. But we had to go on my finger because the brush was not it.
All over the place.
That look the struggle. Had to take the glitter out of eyelash.
Close my eye now. Yeah, my face. What's that? Oh, my lip gloss. Yeah.
Okay, so I think I would just dust enough to get any excess powders or excess glitter off her face. Now I will be going in with some calamine lotion to mattify her face. This is so irrelevant, but like, I don't know how to do this voiceover thing, So sorry if I sound ghetto, but I going in with some foundation now, and then after that I will be doing concealer. Okay, so now I just going in with some contour while the concealer is sitting on her face. That's not.
It's not. Mine is skinny. This is how you contour it, make it look fat.
I didn't even contour it too fast. I'm making it look whiter.
No, it's just a glow.
I want to bust into your eye, that don't make no sense. That makes sense? I did that. It's easier to put on people. Because you can see them.
Okay, is this the finished look? I ain't editing that part out. Is this the finished look? Let them know. Yes or no? This is not the finished look, guys. The final look.